So slope is the inclination or the steepness of the line. And it's the difference of the y's in the numerator over the difference of the x's in the denominator. It doesn't matter if you start with the first point or the second point for y, but then you start with the same point for x. So y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. The triangle means delta, or change. So it's the change in y over the change in x, or rise over run. So if I have a point, 1, 3, and 4, 7, and I want to find the slope, I could start and do 3 minus 7 over 1 minus 4, or I could do 7 minus 3 over 4 minus 1. I'm going to start with the first point, just because I want more negatives here. So I'm going to do 3 minus 7 over 1 minus 4. Again, I could have done 7 minus 3 over 4 minus 1. So I'm getting a negative 4 over negative 3, which is positive 4/3. Exactly what I would have gotten had I done 7 minus 3 over 4 minus 1. It's positive. A positive slope is going to go in this direction. A negative slope is going to go in this direction. Let's take a look at a couple other problems. Three negative 2 and 6 negative 2. Slope is change in y. Negative 2 minus a negative 2 in the numerator over 3 minus 6. Or it could have been 6 minus 3 if I started with the second point. A negative and a negative is a positive, so I have 0 over negative 3. That means that I have a slope that's equal to 0. This is a horizontal line. If I took a look at those 2 points, I have the point 3, negative 2, and I have the point 6, negative 2. They lie on a horizontal line. So positive slope is from lower left to upper right. Negative is from lower right to upper left. Horizontal has a slope of 0. And a vertical line has no slope. So let's take a look at another point. And the slope would be the change in y. I'm going to do 2 minus 3 over 4 minus 4. Or negative 1 over 0. 0 in the denominator is undefined. Therefore, there is no slope when you have a vertical line. And if you took a look at these 2 points, you have the point 4, 2, and you have the point 4, 3, and they lie on a vertical line. So horizontal line, slope is 0. Vertical line, the slope, there is no slope because you have division by 0.